TL Travelers, and welcome back to the TL Travel YouTube channel. Today we are on a photo mission. We were up this morning at 5:15, bright and early, to get on the road. We have rented a driver through a company called BaliCab for about 500,000 rupiah for 10 hours, or about $50 Canadian. And today we're going to be just driving around, getting some great Instagram shots, checking out some places that we've never been before. And I will tell you, if this beautiful view is any indication of what's to come, you're definitely going to want to stick around. So if you haven't already hit that subscribe button, definitely do it. And without further ado, let's just keep this day going, shall we? So for those of you following along, we started our morning at the Ridge Walk and then the Rice Terraces, and now we are at Bali Swing, which seems to be the new hot thing. I've got to tell you, I was kind of thinking that I was going to be a little underwhelmed by the whole experience. It is 150,000 or $15 a person to get in, but I've got to say that was a lot of fun, and the views are spectacular. Okay, so we are at our next stop. Obviously, we have headed out of the Ubud area and we are now at the Tukad Cepung waterfall. Tukad Cepung.
Tukad Cepung.
We're doing the best we can, guys. I can't even. But that is where we are at, and we are just hiking down to the waterfall now, hoping to cool off a little bit. I've got my trusty sarong on because it has been a hot day. So I don't know too much about this waterfall other than that it is a waterfall, but also kind of like a cave situation. We found it on Instagram. Good old Instagram is so great for just finding like great spots to go. People tag popular places and places that they think are beautiful, and it's just like a great way to find hidden gems and places to visit that you wouldn't normally think of. I'm not gonna lie, I'm actually like so concerned about how much of a walk it's going to be coming back up, because these stairs are super steep. We're hiking down. We gotta go back up. It'll be worth it though, hopefully. And we are back home. Holy cow, that day felt like 3 days in one essentially, but we had a great 10 hours with our driver and the weather held up, which was really good. So yeah, we're home now. For any of you guys who are familiar with the area, you would probably have noticed that we did 2 waterfalls, not just the one. So the second waterfall that we did was actually a more like touristy one, and that is, let me see if I can say this, Tegenungan And that is my best guess at how you say it. I could be entirely wrong, but Tegenungan, I believe, was the second waterfall that we went to. I will put the name down below so that, you know, you can try and pronounce it for yourself. Fun times. So that is going to be it for us for today, though. We have another long day tomorrow, and we just, yeah, we're exhausted and just really want to eat, sleep, and feel refreshed. So in our next video, we plan on taking you on a boat trip to Nusa Penida. You will not want to miss it because that is a beautiful island trip. So much to share with you. So if you've not already hit that subscribe button, definitely do it. And until next time, stay great, travel safe, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.